Hello, and in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to be an affiliate for Skillshare. So if you're looking for how to be an affiliate for Skillshare, it's rather easy. So what you want to first do is go ahead and log onto your Skillshare account, and then you're going to reach the home page. Now, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see your profile image. Click on your profile image and then scroll down, and then you're going to see this refer a friend option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, what you see here is basically the referrals home page. So every student who signs up using your referral link gets 1 month of free Skillshare, and in return, you get 60% off their first payment. Your link is already going to be generated on this page here. So you just want to click on copy, and that is your link that you want to use in order to refer friends or family to Skillshare. Another way to actually send referrals is to enter their email address over here. But I find that sharing this link is a much easier way in order to get your friends and family to sign up for Skillshare. And again, once they sign up using their link or using your link, you're going to get 1 month free of Skillshare. And then in return, you'll get 60% of their first payment. So that is how you sign up for Skillshare affiliate program. If you have any comments or questions, do leave me down below.